Vegan skincare, what it is and what it isn't. If anyone ever thought veganism was a fad, they would have been wrong. The number of vegans in the world is rapidly rising, and animals are rejoicing. Plant-based diets, though not always 100% meat-free, have only helped the movement grow in recent years. And with a changing climate, there are more reasons than ever to ditch animal products and embrace plants. Our diet is the first place we look to replace animals. But have you thought about what animal ingredients might be in your skincare? If your products aren't labeled vegan, they most likely have animal or animal-derived components. If protecting animals is a concern of yours, it only makes sense to look here too. Switching to a vegan skincare routine might better align with your values, but it also might have other benefits you haven't thought of yet. Below, you'll find out what vegan skincare is, what are the benefits of vegan skincare, and what ingredients to avoid if you want to go vegan. What is vegan skincare? For a product to be called vegan, it can't contain any ingredients sourced directly from or derived from animals. That includes honey and beeswax. Though vegan might imply that a product is all natural, this isn't always the case. Synthetic ingredients could also be added, since they don't come from animals, and that means there could be harmful chemicals inside. To make sure, always read the label and ingredients list. Our own line of vegan products at Nurturemybody is also all natural because we choose to use only natural ingredients in everything we make. We use the purest herbs grown in our organic permaculture garden in California. Is vegan skincare cruelty-free? Vegan skincare is not automatically cruelty-free. Cruelty-free refers specifically to the testing of products on animals. Some companies still opt to test their vegan products on animals. Look for the designation of cruelty-free to be sure. We are 100% cruelty-free and don't do any animal testing on any of our products, including our vegan items. On the other hand, it's also worth noting that cruelty-free doesn't mean a product is free of animal or animal-derived ingredients. You'll want products that are designated both vegan and cruelty-free for maximum good. What are the benefits of vegan skincare? 1. Packed with nutrients. Since vegan ingredients come from plants, they contain higher amounts of antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that are great for your skin. Plant extracts and oils are jam-packed with active botanicals that nourish, repair, and hydrate, and they'll improve your skin quality. They're also gentler on your skin than non-vegan products and can be used on all skin types. 2. Good for your health. Vegan products that don't contain synthetic ingredients are better for your health. Since skin absorbs up to 60% of what we put on it, being free of chemicals means less risk for health problems associated with toxic ingredients. Most vegan products also use a minimal number of ingredients, which makes them even safer. 3. Better for the planet. Since what we use in the shower and at the sink washes down the drain and ends up in our waterways, plant-based products that don't contain toxic chemicals make them safer for the environment. The ingredients came from the natural world and won't cause harm when they return to it. What are common non-vegan ingredients? Ingredient lists are typically challenging to read. You might not even realize that animal and animal-derived ingredients are lurking in your beauty and skincare products. Sometimes a name of an ingredient doesn't provide clues to its source. Knowing what to look out for can help you choose vegan products. A few of the most common ingredients that are often sourced from animals are listed below. Ingredient, description, vegan alternative. Lanolin, an oil extracted from sheep's wool. Vegan lanolin, plant oils. Squalane, often sourced from shark liver, olive or rice bran. Squalane. Casein, protein in milk used as binding agent. Legumin, from legumes. Oleic acid, a fatty acid from animal fat, olive oil, sunflower. Seed oil, argan oil, safflower oil. Stearic acid often comes from pork fat, used for consistency. Vegan stearic acid from coconut oil, cocoa butter, and palm kernel oil. Carmine, made from crushed cochineal insects, gives red color. Bug-free dyes like beets and carrots. Elastin, protein from animals, no vegan form, but plant nutrients can boost collagen production. Hyaluronic acid, comes from combs of roosters, can come from microbial. Fermentation, won't be labeled as such. Lecithin, often from eggs or fish, sunflower or soy lecithin. Retinol, derivative of vitamin A harvested from animal byproducts. Carotenoid or carrot. Whether you're vegan or not, using vegan skincare is an excellent choice. Vegan skincare uses minimal ingredients produced by nature, and this means it's safer for everyone. From benefits for your skin, your health, the animal kingdom, and the environment, you can't go wrong by making the switch. Browse our extensive vegan skincare options if you're ready to try it out.